Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
We thought probably before the academic year begins, if we could have this 5 days workshop, it will surely benefit the kids to revise some important topics, and the academic year would be much more benefited than it would have been otherwise. The students here have been extremely well. They have been very communicative, very responsive, and they have grasped whatever best we have taught them, because we have been conducting a lot of quizzes to check whether whatever we have delivered to them, they have really understood it or no. And we are very pleased to see that yes, students have also been equally attentive and tried to gain maximum from whatever we have taught in this workshop.
And I had a very good experience. The teachers explaining was very good, and even though I was underage, I could still understand and everything.
म्हाका हितून खूब मज्जा आयली, फन आसा. टिचरी खूब बरें शिकयता, बरें दिसलें, खूब नॉलेज गावली बायोलॉजी केमिस्ट्रीची. ऑफलायन क्लासीसांनी बोर जातालें, आमकां डावट विचारूंक मेळनासलें. हांगा न्ही आपूण डावट आमी क्लियर करूंक शकता, आमी आनी कितें विचारूंक शकता टिचरी.
I've been attending classes of Narayana past 2 years. I've been attending it online. So this time I have attended it offline, and it was a great fun. Now I gained more info on it, and it was really interesting.
The teacher explaining is very good. Maths, physics, chemistry, bio, all subjects were taught very good. The class was fun. Teachers weren't too strict. The whole 5 days were very good.